Okay, everyone, so well, I don't know if I'm getting over, I still have a sore throat, so I'm going to try not to do too much talking in this video. I got a new package in the mail, courtesy of SE Electronics, and also thank you to Temple for making this happen once again. They sent me a microphone and a mic preamp booster, and I did see these products at AES, but I'm going to be able to test them out myself and let you guys know what I think. So, first things first, the unboxing. Oh, they sent me the match pair. Nice, thanks. I thought I was just going to get one microphone. This will actually come in handy because I do have an acoustic guitar performance to record. And yeah, so thank you all for that. And yes, it is a demo unit. I do have to send this stuff back. And I think that helps with, keeping things a little bit less biased. Let me bring this closer to the camera. So, there you go. And the reason I wanted to review the microphone is because basically my favorite microphone, besides my voiceover microphone, is a modified MXL 603S. But you can't buy those anymore. You can't buy the modified version. And, I figure the sE7 is $250. That's out of the price range of a lot of home studio people. This is a $100 microphone. Now, if you buy the match pair, it's $200. Obviously, it's but it's a match. They do say it's a match pair. So if you buy them together, then the frequency responses and other things should be as close as acoustically possible or analog possible. And I definitely wanted to review this because I've heard. I'm laughing at the package. I thought that they were joking, but no, this is actually the packaging. Cool. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a t-shirt. Thank you. I might wear this to lounge around, and I might actually wear it outside. I don't know. 2 t-shirts. Alright, cool. I think this was it's courtesy of SE, but I think Temple threw these in there. So thank you to whoever made that happen. That's cool. I will definitely wear them. I like black, so I don't mind logos. And there's not many people that have SE electronic t-shirts out there, so it's kind of unique, So I definitely, I don't know, you know what? I don't know if this can unscrew. Yeah, there we go. So there's that. I mean, I already showed these on the AES video, but basically this adds 28 gigabytes, 28 decibels of gain. So. And there's actually, I will save it for the review, but there's a reason besides the gain boost why it's important to have something like this. And I also have a cool idea for a video coming up. So stay tuned next week for that one. I think you guys are going to like it. It also comes with... There's printed instruction, or it looks like there's printed instructions inside, but I think I gotta grab that in a special way or something. I don't know. Can I peel that out? Yes, I can. Hold on, guys. It's like a little message in a bottle, but I'm afraid I'm gonna break it or rip it. Kind of did. Whoops. I think I was supposed to pull this out. It's not coming out. This is a really cool container, but not practical. Tell you what, I'm gonna shove it back in there because I don't want to rip it anymore. So it's going back. Hopefully if the microphone can't go back in very well, then I will pull it out. I might just pull it out anyway. So anyway, that goes back in. I still think this is the coolest package ever for mic gear. And I guess I did get through the TSA. And then this, there you go. Some SE stickers. I'm assuming I can keep the t-shirts, by the way. If I can't, if I have to give them away, that's fine. I'll give them away at some point. But I think they're for me to keep. I'll give them away at Christmas or something to one of my family members or one of my friends. So there's the manual for the sE7. You can get a PDF file as well. But I always say, it's important, I think, in this day and age. I think it makes a product better when they do print instructions. So I'm not going to pull these out. Well, I'll pull one of them out off screen just so I don't mess anything up. So it does come with 2 windscreens and 2 microphone clips. I believe the clips are on the other side. Yeah, I'm not going to pull it out right now, but those are microphone clips. I don't want to break anything. So I don't want to rip anything, I should say. So again, thanks. I really wasn't expecting the match pair, so that's really cool. And I wanted to pull the microphone out of the bubble wrap. So it's just taped up. I don't know where the beginning of the tape is. I'm looking for it off camera. Okay, well. And there's the microphone. Cool. It's a black matte, and okay, I don't think I really need to pull out of the bag, do I? And you know what I like about this? I think that SE made some good choices on. Oh, by the way, it looks like. See, the switches, this is one thing that bothers me on some microphones. It's very easy to hit these switches, but they made it so that the switch is like, you gotta like use like a paper clip or something, and then you can't accidentally hit it by, accident. And I think that the low cut choice, I believe it's 80 decibels. I don't know what octave or order that is, and then -20, that was the better choice because the sE8 has 10 and 20 decibels, and I think that 20 decibel of attenuation is the better choice if you only can pick one. And the low cut on the sE8 is 160 hertz and 80 hertz, and I think if you only could pick one, then 80 hertz is the more useful one. So good job on that SE. And again, thanks for sending me a match pair. So I will be reviewing this DM1. I'll be reviewing this possibly next week, and the microphone is going to take a little bit longer, probably not until like maybe the 1st or 2nd week of January. I'll have that review out. I just want to review a bunch of different things. I might have demo videos out or something like that. I could record acoustic guitar. I could record a voiceover, possibly some singing, but I'd rather just wait until a full review comes out. But that's up to you guys. If you want to see individual videos like I've done in the past, please let me know in the comment section. And anyway, I'm going to stop talking because my voice can't handle this. The rest of my body's feeling fine for the most part, but my voice is just not good. So I will see you all sometime next week with some more videos. And outro girl, take it away.
Thanks. Thanks for watching this RealHomeRecording.com video. You can get monthly audio engineering news and exclusive videos by signing up for our newsletter. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down and consider subscribing. Have some questions? Feel free to ask them in the comment section below. If Adam has helped you produce better quality audio, then please consider becoming a monthly patron or donate via PayPal. Bye!